In this video, we're going to learn how to use torrents to download music for free. The first thing you need to do is install a software called a torrent client. One such client is Qubit Torrent. You can download and install it for free, and it's open source. Another client is Deluge. In this video, we aren't going to use these. We will use Transmission because it comes installed by default in Linux Mint. The next thing that we need is a torrent file or magnet link that tells the client what we want to download. We're downloading free music in this video, so we'll go to this cool website called Overclocked Remix. Over here we have a link to the torrents hosted on the website. We are going to download this one, which contains 4,000 music files. What we are downloading right now is just a torrent file. After we download it, we will be able to find it in our Downloads folder. Observe that we don't have 4,000 music files here, we just have a single file with the torrent extension. We are going to open this file in our torrent client. A single torrent can contain multiple files, so we can choose what to download. I have less than 20 gigabytes of free space on disk, so I can't even download the whole torrent. After choosing what to download, it's also possible to open the torrent properties and change the priority in case you want to download a file first. This doesn't guarantee a file will be downloaded first. It just means it will be prioritized in some cases. Now we have downloaded our free mp3 files, we can listen to them however we want. Let's play them on Strawberry, which is a free music player for Linux. Yep, it plays. We could drag the whole 4,000 songs into a playlist if we had downloaded them. This is how you use torrent to download free music. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.